we're getting ready for our island hopping, and we're gonna see the turtles, hopefully the sardines. Going, or are we going? This girl has been packing for like 30 minutes already. And spraying for the second time around. Come on! Let's go. Finally. Yes, madam. We should bring the water. Alright! Heading out! Yes, taga Cebu, ay makakadungan na mo sa bangka. Ano yung name? Carlene and Kate. So, heading to our boat. Just doing our life best. Very good. Okay. Thank you. We're moving. And we're finally here. Yes, this is the view. It's so great. Shot. It's already 7 in the morning. Ngayon nga island. Amo na niya pescador. Asa dapit? Diri nga tungod? Ah, okay. Wow, grabe ka clear. Wait lang. Ouch. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay. Woo! Yeah, it's in the turtles. Watching the sardines, and it's pretty awesome. There's a lot of them there, and we're done.